Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. My new subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. To my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this delicious condensed milk buns. So guys, keep watching. You will love every bit of this recipe. Before we get started, let me introduce you to the list of ingredients needed. We have all-purpose flour, some salt, nutmeg powder. It adds a nice flavor to the buns. So here we have some sugar. You can adjust your taste. Next, we have some butter, baking powder. Please, we don't use yeast for this recipe, okay? So here we are going to be adding in some eggs. I'll be using 2 eggs for this recipe, and we have our condensed milk. For the frying, we are going to be needing vegetable oil, water. For the frying, we are going to be needing a frying spoon, sieve. To begin, in a mixing bowl, sieve in your flour to make sure it is very nice and smooth. Once that is done, go ahead and add in all the dry ingredients, the salt, nutmeg powder, baking powder, some sugar to taste. You can as well use your brown sugar, okay? So let's go ahead and mix until it is well combined. Now go ahead and add in the butter. Mix until it is well combined or crumbled, okay? Break in the eggs. You can as well add more or less of it. Mix, mix, mix. You don't need to be tired of mixing, okay? Now pour in the condensed milk and keep mixing. I know some of you will be wondering, why is this condensed milk too watery? Okay, let me gist you. Here in Germany, it is called condensed milk, yeah, because the one we have in Africa is too thick. And I hope and I believe it can be called evaporated milk also. But here, we call it condensed milk, okay? But you can still get that thick ones here. But this particular one, it has this unique flavor. So I love using this particular condensed milk. Remember, when making your buns, you add baking powder, while for off you add your yeast, okay? If you want to get that unique buns. So here I'm done using up the condensed milk. I added some little water. I mean little water, not much, okay? As you can see, my batter, it is thick, not watery. And now I'm done mixing the buns batter. You can see how it looks, but for puff it will be more watery, more than this. So next, go ahead and wrap it or cover it and let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes, okay? Next, in a clean dry pot, add the vegetable oil and allow to heat up until it is hot, but not over hot, okay? 30 minutes later, our batter is done settling down or resting. So open it up and give it a nice mix, okay? Next, we are checking on the oil now. So we're going to start by dropping in a small batter to test the oil for readiness, okay? If the batter floats at the top, then it is ready, just the way you are seeing it here on the screen. Carefully drop the batter in the hot oil in batches, but do not overcrowd the oil, okay? Fry on a medium heat, so you don't end up with outside cooked and inside uncooked. I believe you don't want that, right? Okay, now go ahead and flip to the other side and keep frying until it is golden brown and well done, okay? As you can see here, we are done frying. Use your slaughter spoon and transfer the buns on a paper towel or a sieve to drain out the excess oil out, okay? So I repeat the same process until I have exhausted the whole batter mix. My little tips: reduce the heat each time you are frying a new batch. Then turn the heat up, okay? This way, the buns do not turn brown quickly without cooking through. For the buns color, it depends on your choice, whether you like it more darker, light. Yeah. So guys, that is it. And our buns is ready and done. Can you see? This is one in million Nigerian buns. Let's taste and see how the inside looks. You can see, right? It is very soft, nice, and not too oily and sugary. Tasted super delicious. It can be served as party snacks, picnic, and also loved by the kids too. Family, friends, yeah, try it out and you will thank me later. I'll be dropping the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Thank you so much and remain blessed. Bye.